Welcome to Healthy Journey. I'm your host Enrique Bonglastrilla. I'm a terminal cancer survivor who went from the deathbed to complete healing. Please read my memoir, My Miraculous Healing Journey, on Amazon and realize that our bodies were created to heal itself. We just have to take care of it. I am a certified natural health professional whose mission is to help people stay healthy and happy in their life journey. Did you know that a simple bowl of rice water can do wonders for your gut? This humble liquid, often discarded after cooking rice, holds a treasure trove of nutrients and probiotics. It's true, fermented rice water, an age-old remedy, is making a comeback as a natural way to support gut health. By allowing the rice water to ferment, beneficial bacteria multiply, creating a powerful elixir for your digestive system. This traditional drink, rich in beneficial bacteria, can help ease digestive woes and promote overall well-being. Regular consumption can lead to improved digestion, reduced bloating, and a happier gut. Let's dive into the world of fermented rice water and discover its incredible benefits. From boosting your immune system to enhancing nutrient absorption, this ancient secret is a simple yet effective way to maintain a healthy gut. Fermented rice water is not a new fad. For centuries, cultures around the world have used it for its health-promoting properties. In Asia, it's a staple in many diets, known for its ability to soothe the stomach and improve digestion. Today, modern science is catching up to what traditional wisdom has known for generations. Do you often experience bloating or digestive discomfort? You're not alone. Many people struggle with these common gut issues. Our gut plays a crucial role in our overall health, and when it's out of balance, it can lead to a range of problems. Fermented rice water can be a gentle and effective way to restore balance and alleviate these symptoms. The science behind fermented rice water's magic. The secret to fermented rice water's gut healing power lies in its abundance of probiotics. These beneficial microorganisms are produced during the fermentation process, which involves soaking rice in water and allowing it to sit for a period of time. Probiotics are live bacteria and yeasts that are beneficial for our digestive system. They play a crucial role in maintaining the health of our gut by promoting a balanced microbiome. Fermentation transforms the rice water, creating an environment where these good bacteria thrive. This process not only enhances the nutritional value of the rice water, but also makes it easier for our bodies to absorb the nutrients. These probiotics help to restore the balance of our gut flora, which is essential for optimal digestion and overall health. By regularly consuming fermented rice water, you can support your digestive system, boost your immune function, and improve your overall well-being. Brew your own gut-friendly elixir. Tired said, a simple recipe. Today we will guide you through the simple steps to make your own fermented rice water at home. Making fermented rice water at home is surprisingly easy. It's a natural probiotic that can benefit your gut health. All you need are two simple ingredients, rice and water. You can use any type of rice, but organic is preferred for the best results. First, rinse the rice thoroughly to remove any dirt or impurities. This step is crucial to ensure the purity of your fermented water. Then combine the rinsed rice and fresh water in a clean jar. Make sure the jar is sterilized to avoid any unwanted bacteria. Let it sit at room temperature for 1 to 2 days to ferment. Once it develops a slightly sour aroma, which indicates fermentation, strain the liquid using a sieve. Your homemade fermented rice water is now ready to use. Enjoy the benefits of this simple yet powerful elixir. Reap the rewards of a balanced gut. Incorporating fermented rice water into your diet can bring a host of benefits. It can help to reduce bloating and digestive discomfort, promote regular bowel movements, and boost your overall gut health. Additionally, a healthy gut is linked to a stronger immune system and improved nutrient absorption. Join the fermented rice water revolution. Ready to experience the transformative power of fermented rice water for yourself? Give it a try and see how it can improve your gut health and overall well-being. Share your experience with others and spread the word about this ancient secret for a happy gut. Remember always to consult your doctor for any alternative natural medicine regimen. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. Until next time, stay healthy and happy in your life journey.